Hello, my name is Joshua Masters from Brick System Brothers, and I'm showing you guys a mock that I built a little while ago. This is a red truck, the white pattern down the side. I was going for like more of the chunky look that they have in the 80s and 70s vehicles, but I wanted to incorporate newer pieces into my build and different techniques. So I'll be tearing this thing apart for you guys and showing you what kind of techniques I used in it. So the first thing is, minifigure does fit into this vehicle. And that's something kind of hard to do with keeping the look simple and stuff. A lot of older cars didn't actually have roofs. They were just like convertibles and stuff. Next thing up here is these crowbars that I put across the front of this engine, and those can come out with this T-bar and stuck down to a jumper down there. This whole front end is only stuck on with one of these pieces. It's like something that goes on a newer car for license plate and headlight pieces. And the pieces that were inside that just tucked in there to continue that white stripe. With this red piece, they actually don't slide in there very well, but with the gray one, they actually have some clutch there. So I don't know if there's if it must be a different mold or something, but I don't really know how that works. I use these ice cream cones in black for the headlights. I would use, I don't know if I have any, but these 1x1 clips, I would use those in red. And then this 1x2 curve slope. Some blinkers down there. I only have one mirror because back then that was only what was required. I did use these old-fashioned wheels with the metal in there. The bed is wood with some nails in there. It's 1x3 tiles. The rest of the build is actually mostly made of plates instead of like bricks and stuff. And then the tailgate. So I was gonna use, I used this piece at first until I found out I had a red one, but because it can hold those white pieces in better, I guess they go in this way. And then that is hooked on using a 2x2. I guess this side is one plate higher than the other, with two studs on the side. And then a 1x4 curved slope. And these pieces here, the fender or a wheel well, whatever you want to call it, is a 2x4 piece. And those are kind of older. So we'll stick this back on there. Stick this down inside there. I better put my wheels back on. And slide these pieces inside there. So those kind of move around without there being any clutch in there. And there you have it. My own mock. My own creation. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.